Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Among Us, basically the Iron Spider versus Dr. Octopus. So these are the Among Us versions, and that's it. We're going to go through it step by step, okay? Should be simple, so absolutely, ask questions as needed, but stick around. It should be about a 10-minute video. Shouldn't be any longer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're a huge Spider-Man No Way Home fan, stick around. Or Among Us, or both. Definitely stick around. And that's it, okay? We're going to jump pretty much right into it, and that's it. Let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw things within short amounts of time, if you like these 10-minute drawing videos, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. When you do that, you're going to basically get a notification when I post a video. I post a lot of videos, so absolutely hit up here or hit up the playlist section. Alright, because everything here goes in a playlist. Let's get started on this side with Spider-Man on this side. Curve over here for the top of the viewport, the visor. Curve along here. Curve along the side over here. And then curve underneath. Let's go up. Line up here for the forehead. This is going to be the Iron Spider on this side. Curve over here. Curve around the corner. And we're going over here on this side. I'm going to go straight down in front of the body. Right here. Straight down the back of the body. Curve underneath for those teddy bear feet. Because among crewmates always have these like teddy bear like feet. Like these marshmallow like feet. Up over here. In. And kind of connect that there. So that's a regular crewmate right now, right? We're going to start over here maybe halfway through the visor for the top of the backpack and then around the bottom of the body here. We're going to leave it like that. That's going to be our template, and I'll come back to that one. Right here, let's draw another crewmate. Curve over here. Down over here for the visor, side of the visor. Curve over here. And curve underneath. That looks like a pillow shape to me. Pulling up. Curve to the top of the head. Go over here to the front. Same thing, more or less kind of mirroring the other crewmate. Curve underneath those teddy bear feet. Pull up. Line over here for underneath the body. Down for that other teddy bear foot. And pulling down. Gonna go over here, find the backpack here. So we have two crewmates, normal looking, and just kind of facing each other. All right. We good? We good so far? All right. Let's go over here and start with things differentiate. I'm gonna throw a line across here and it's gonna be lighter than normal. I'll try to make them thinner, the lines, because you want the details to be a little different. So line across again. Line over here for this design. He's got this like kind of golden spider on his chest thing going on. Kinda. And then we're gonna go over here, line over here on this side, line over here on this side. It's gonna go up. It's not gonna be quite the spider. And we're gonna draw a normal spider here. We're kind of abbreviating it for us. So dot. Line out like an L shape, 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 L shape. Line across here for the difference in pattern, for the leg area. And before we get to the Spider-Man pattern on him, we're going to go over here and draw his legs out. His Iron Spider legs up. Again, like that L shape there. Pulling in right here. Go over here on this side, line up, over here, down. Almost look like horns right now, right? Without context, but let's go over here and draw another one. Line out, curve in, curve back, line in here. Same thing on this far end. Down like that L shape, like out, pulling in. And lastly, the ones down here, out, down, curve up, in here. This one might cross over that one just a bit, down here. All right, we got these legs right there. Let's put the Spider-Man pattern here now. Thin line right here. It's all radiating from the center of his head. Thin line. Thin, especially through that symbol. We gotta keep it, you know, relatively thin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Line across. Line across. Over here for the backpack as well. More or less just a checkerboard. Line right there. And then over here, see, we're gonna on the face area. I always keep it a little bit more specific. I draw like the web area. I think it only needs one, honestly. All right, let's go over here to Doc Ock. Doc Ock has like a trench coat, but you don't really need to draw it, honestly. I think it'll be enough just to draw the arms. And you can draw the arms as crazy as you want, but remember that they're tubes. Let's draw just tubes first. Line over here without the claws first. See, they're all aiming at him though. Right here, out, pulling in, just like these tubes, right? Curve over here, curve over here, tubes. So simplistic tubes for now. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the claw at the end of it, and you could draw something like this. These little squares, like that. Almost looks like it's folded paper in a way. See right there for the claws. And then you go along here with a thinner line. And you start just kind of chopping up that tube right there. Putting those thin lines on that tube. Right there. And let's go through here and draw the reflection on their visors. Maybe something like that. And that's it. Like I said, you could draw Doc Ock's coat, but you don't need to. I think that really, if he's just like dark, that's just completely fine as is. And there you go. That's an Among Us Iron Spider versus Dr. Octopus in Spider-Man No Way Home. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hit me up. If you do like this, like I said, hit that like button. Absolutely hit that like button. Also, share the video. When you share the video, it does a ton for the channel and it really helps out, okay? Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, all right? See you later. Reach out, okay? I always say hi. Say hi to me, by the way, in the comments. I always say hi back. See ya. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.